Hi guys, I hope you are doing well. This is our third class, and in this class we are going to learn that how we can draw structure in uptrend. Drawing structure is very easy. I will teach you some rules that how you can draw structure and how you can find exact higher high and higher low point in a real market. So let's start. The criteria of uptrend is we need three waves. This is first wave, this is second wave, and this is third wave. When market form these three waves, it means that now we are in a uptrend. So same criteria in downtrend, market should form a first wave at downside, second wave, and third wave should break previous lower low point. So in this scenario we are in a downtrend. So if market break this previous, this is our lower high point. So if market break and close this lower high point, it means that it may be our first wave at upside. So when market retrace to the downside and then again break its previous this higher high point, it means that now we shift into a uptrend. So first wave should break its previous lower high point in a downtrend. Okay, it means that if we are in a downtrend, if a wave break this previous lower high point, it means that this is our first wave at upside in a uptrend. Okay, so now we are in a range. If market is retracing after making first wave, it means that this is our range. This whole area of this first wave is called a range. Okay, so if market break and close upside at this previous higher high point, so it means that this is our second wave and this is our third wave, and now we are in a uptrend. So this is a scenario of uptrend. So let's start that what are the rules of marking first wave, second and third wave. So as I asked before, that first wave should break previous lower high point. So let's consider that we are in a downtrend. So let's consider we are in a downtrend. And market is making a lower low point. So in this scenario, this is our lower high point. This is last support in structure in a downtrend. If market break and close this support, it means that we are shifting into a uptrend. Okay, so if market break and close above this lower high point, it means that it may be our first wave at upside. Like I said before, that first wave should break its previous lower high point. So scenario of uptrend is we need three waves, first, second and third wave. So it may be a first wave at upside. Okay, so what is the criteria of second wave? After breaking this lower high point, if market form two consecutive sell candle at downside, it means that this higher high point become our resistance. Okay, this point become our resistance, and it show that this is completion of first wave. If market print two consecutive sell candle, it means that this is completion of first wave. And if market break and close again this area, it is our first higher high in uptrend. So now we are in range. This whole area is range. Okay, so after this, if market break and close, we don't need wick. This is just a wick. We need complete break and close above this area. So this is break and close above this area. So it means that now we shift into a uptrend. Why? Because the criteria of uptrend is fulfilled. This is our first wave, this is our second wave, and this is our third wave. So when this wave is not complete yet, when this wave complete, if market form one sell candle, this is sell candle, and again it form a buy candle. So at this point, this third wave is not complete yet. When this third wave complete, if market form two consecutive sell candle, so let's suppose these are two consecutive sell candle, so it means that no, this is end point of this third wave, and this is now our resistance in uptrend. Okay, and this is our last support area. This one is our last support area. Higher low point is our last support in uptrend. Okay, so if market make a buy candle, then again sell candle, and if again if again market break this resistance line, so it means that now our this is our higher high, and between these 2 points the lower low point is our lower high. Okay, so now this is our lower high point, this one. Okay, so now this is the 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5th wave. So when this wave end, when market form two consecutive candle in retracement, market can form a one sell candle and again buy candle, and then again sell candle, then again market form a buy candle. But when this wave end, when market form two consecutive sell candles, so it means that this is ending point of this 5th wave, and this area is our resistance. So when market break and close this resistance line, so it means that now this is our next higher high, and this is our next lower low point, higher low point. So what we learned from this, that if market break and close previous lower high point in downtrend, this is our first wave, and if market print two consecutive sell candle, it means that this area become our resistance, and this when market print two consecutive sell candle, our higher high is confirmed, and when market break and close this resistance, our lower low higher low is confirmed, and when market print two consecutive sell candle in retracement, our next higher high is confirmed, and when market break this resistance previous higher high, our lower high is confirmed. So these are the rules to mark structure in uptrend. So let's print structure on real market. So guys, this is USD CAD chart, and let's mark structure on this chart. So here you can see that this is our downtrend, and this is lower high point, and this is lower low in downtrend. So we know that lower high point is last support in downtrend. So if market break this support, it means that our downtrend is violated and it show weakness. So it means that this is our first wave at upside. So after this we need two consecutive sell candle to mark our resistance line. So here you can see that after breaking this line, we get 2 consecutive sell candle. These are 3 consecutive sell candle, so we need only 2 consecutive sell candle. So when 2 consecutive sell candle form, we can mark our resistance line at this tip of the wick. So after this, we wait to break and close above this resistance line. So here you can see that this candle is breaking and closing our resistance line. So now when market break and close resistance line, we can say that this is our confirmed higher low in uptrend, and this is our confirmed higher high in uptrend. Now our next higher high is not confirmed yet. When we confirm our next higher high, when market form 2 consecutive sell candle in a retracement. So here you can see that after forming this higher high, market form 2 consecutive sell candle in retracement. So it means that now we can mark a second wave at this point. This is our high low and this is our high high. Why this is our high high? Because after this high, market form 2 consecutive sell candle in retracement. So when market form 2 consecutive sell candle, we can mark our resistance line at this point. So this is our resistance and this is our last support. This is our last support. So after this, when market again break and close our resistance, so it means that this is our confirmed high low point. So now our high high is not confirmed yet. When we confirm our next higher high, when market make a 2 consecutive sell candle in retracement. So here you can see that these are 2 consecutive sell candle. So it means that we can say that this is our confirmed high point. So here we can mark our resistance line, this resistance line at this point. So in this scenario, this is our last support in uptrend and this is our resistance. So here you can see that market is breaking this resistance. So it means that when market break and close resistance, we can mark our next lower high, and this is the lowest point between this point and this higher high. So this is lowest point. Okay, so where is our next higher high? This is our next higher high. Okay, why? Because when market start retracement, it form 2 consecutive sell candle. Okay, so in this scenario, this is our last support in uptrend and this become our resistance. Okay, so here you can see that this here market is breaking our resistance. So when market break and close our resistance, so it means that now we can mark our lower high point, higher low point. So now the lowest point between this point and this is lowest point. So this is our high low point. So where is our next higher high? Our next higher high is this point. Why? Because in a retracement you can see consecutive sell candle. So our next resistance is this and our last support is this. Okay, in this uptrend structure. So here you can see that this again break and close. So it means that after break and close we can mark our next higher low, and this is our higher high. Why? Because in retracement here you can see consecutive sell candle. Okay, so when market form these consecutive sell candle, we can mark our next resistance and this is our last support in structure. So again this is break and close. It means that we can mark our next higher low. Okay, so higher low can be equal to previous higher low. Here you can see that this is double bottom pattern. So when market start retracement and form consecutive sell candle, it means that now we can mark our resistance at this point. This same support is our last support in structure. So after this is break and close of our resistance line. So it means that now we can mark our higher low, next higher low, and this is our next higher high. Why? Because after marking this higher high, market forming lot of consecutive candle in this retracement. So after this, where is our resistance? This is our resistance in uptrend, and this is our last support. High low point is our last support. So here you can see that market is not breaking and closing our last support. If market break and close our last support, it means that this is end of our uptrend structure. Okay, so here you can see that this is break and close of our resistance line. So it means that now we can mark our next higher low, and we can mark our next higher high point. Why this is our next higher high? Because here you can see that two consecutive sell candle, and this become our resistance, and this is our last support and structure. So here you can see that this is again break and close. So it means that we can mark next waves, and this is our higher high. So in this scenario, this is our resistance, and this is our last support and structure. So here you can see that market is breaking and closing our last support. So it means that now our uptrend structure is violated, and this is start of downtrend. And here you can see that market is forming downtrend structure. So in this way you can mark structure, and you can also find lot of pattern. So if you see, you can see that this is break and retested, and again here you can see that this is also a break and retest entry, and here you can see that there's lot of opportunity to take a buy entry. This is break and retest, this is double bottom entry, again double bottom entry, and market is giving you again double bottom entry at this point. Okay, so in this way you can mark structure and use structure in your strategies. Whatever strategy you are following, this is very important technique. So that's it. Thank you.